guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will sing The Bayang Magiliw,
The Lupang Hinirang,
The Lupang Hinirang,
and
The Mumu Song, and Pilipinas.
Anong Pilipinas?
Again,
Panatang.
Hindi na panatang.
Why is na?
Kasi hindi ko alam yung panatang mga kabay. Guys, I will sing Panatang Makabayan. The verse is not to the Pilipinas and Lupang Hinirang. Pero yung verse na doon ay solid, liquid, and gas. To the plus and loud and soft. What will I sing, Mom?
The Lupang Hinirang first, then followed by Panatang Makabayan.
Bayang magiloy, pero kasi di naman ama na lupi. Di pa nasisingit sa mananak mundo ng siwaya. Wala nang bubuhay. Agi, lumata ko. Lupang hinirang, bayang mga magili, saban manuli. Di pa nasisingit sa bananat mundo ng siwayas, malanag mo buhay, malanap manda na awisa, may nagmamahal, may nanahama-nama. Wait lang, kasi yung naano yung kamay ko sa eyes ko.
Kalikutan mo, no?
May nagsisipa, nananadahin sa milyo. Panatang Makabayan, iniibig ko ang Pilipinas. Aking lupa siya na lang, tahanan ng aking lahi. Kinukupo ako at maging malakas, masipag at marangal. Dahil mahal ko yung Pilipinas, umiinom ako milk strawberry, milk white, and chocolate milk. And that's all we needed. Hey, Mommy, the verse, liquid soft, and plus.
Okay, the verse.
Verse? These scriptures are able to make you wise, and that wisdom leads to salvation through faith in Christ Jesus. 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 15. Oh, tell me, Mommy. Tell me now. Tell me the solid liquid gas. Dali naman! Dali na!
How about the bag?
Huh?
Bag.
Gas.
How about the
bag is gas?
No, it's not gas. Hello.
The bag is solid.
Solid. How about the dishwashing?
What is?
Dishwashing.
Is the joy?
Yeah.
Liquid. Na ano yung mata ko sa joy.
Ang galing. Ang galing naman. How about the... Oh, ayaw mo na?
Gusto ko pa.
How about the... ano yan?
Oxygen.
The fire extinguisher inside.
Oxygen.
Yeah.
Oxygen. The oxygen is gas.
Yes. Okay. How about...
Fire gun.
Ah?
Fire gun.
Yeah.
Oh, the fire gun. The waters go out, that's gas. And the trap, it's solid.
Wow, nice. How about the gasol when you are cooking?
Alam mo na
to use it in your
Sinabi mo na ng
cooking.
gas.
Okay.
Gas.
So, what is that?
Gas.
Ang galing, ha? Ang galing. I said it gasul. So, is that?
Gas.
Gas. Ang galing, ha?
Gas. Gas.
Ay, ganun pala
gasu.
yun?
Gas. Gasu. Gas. Gasu.
How about the aircon? Air of the aircon.
Solid and gas.
Why? Explain it.
Because the aircon flow up in the gas, and the aircon that's solid.
Uy, ang galing. Ang galing. Ang galing mo, ha?
We have an aircon.
How about the electric fan? Okay, the electric fan.
If the electric fan had this is solid, and the air coming off here, and they are gas.
Uy, ang galing. Ang galing. Ang galing pa. How about the balloon?
The balloon, okay. The balloon switches up the gas up to the balloon and pull it like this, and the balloon is safe. And the balloon, if you hold it, the balloon like here, that's solid.
Okay, but the inside air?
But the inside of the balloon, it's gas.
Oh, ang galing. Ang galing. How about the fire extinguisher? Fire extinguisher. The spray, the Baygon. Oh, first the Baygon.
What is the Baygon?
The Baygon, we put inside the spray just like that. The spray.
Huh?
The spray.
Spray?
Spray.
Spray?
Spray for ipis. You know, the one that, we spray?
If there's a ipis, I'm scared, and Papa get the form pieces of the gas like this. The spray of the ipis, they die, and I'm not scared, so that's gas.
Oh.
The ipis, if you hold it, she's solid.
Cheese talaga? It's solid, hindi cheese kasi hindi naman yung pwede. It's not a person. No, it's baby. No, it's cheese because it's not a person, okay? You are not talking. It's animal.
It's animal, but the ipis is not here. Can you see the ipis? No, guys. Only the gas. If you hold it like that, she's have a balabiho, and Jago have a balabibo, and the ipis only no balabiho.
How about the how about the
monkey?
The monkey.
Hindi na yung kasama. Kasi
How about the lullaby? Is that a soft or loud voice?
Susunod na yung plus.
Okay.
What? Lullaby the soft?
Yeah.
Lullaby the soft?
Yeah. It's a soft?
Yes.
Soft
Soft lullaby.
Soft nga? Ano yan? Ba't soft sound, okay?
Soft sound.
How about the ambulance? The ambulance.
Wow.
Explain it also. You explain it.
Okay. The ambulance.
Yeah.
If the ambulance just say the red and blue, they said wee-oo, and that go up, and if there's a dying of the people, they get in the ambulance and close it and go to the hospital, go to have a face mask and have a breath like that. Down.
He or she admit in the hospital. It's like that.
Yes.
Like mama and papa.
Nana.
Just like Nashville.
Yes.
Why you have a sick, I can't call ambulance.
You have a phone now. You said 9111. Like that. The ambulance is coming.
911. Ang galing. Why you're so magaling,
The
baby?
199.
Baby, why you're so magaling? Ah? Why you're so magaling?
Guys, I will tell Papa. Patay na si Papa at sawagan ko yung ano.
Why your kalangot is so big? Your kalangot is so big. See? Kalas. So,
Solid tapos liquid tayo. Hindi. Loud and soft tayo.
okay. How you explain it again, okay? How about
Ambulance?
No. How about the baby screaming? Just like Nashville screaming to mama because
Wow.
she didn't want to to do what mama's saying. Oh, what is that? The screaming.
What?
The screaming of the baby. She is shouting. How about Nashville? She's
Loud.
shouting. Oh.
Loud.
Why loud?
If me, Papa is going to follow me, I will cry like this. Like that.
So, it's so nice.
So nice. And the plus time.
Okay.
And my plus only.
Okay.
Mamaya na yung minus.
30 plus 20.
Hindi, kunti lang nga bigay mo sa akin.
9 minus 2.
Ha?
9 plus 3.
9 plus 3?
So what? Why you are like that? Hala, kalas. Uy, tingin ka kay mami.
Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay. Are you beautiful?
Kili ko.
Are you beautiful, baby?
Yes.
Why you're beautiful?
I am not beautiful.
Oh, you're not. Uy, you have a kulangot. Hala, may kulangot ka naman. Uy. So, bye ka na.
Uy, mag-plus
Bye.
pa tayo.
Hindi, mag-bye ka lang, tapos mag-plus tayo.
Bye.
That's
Hope
it.
you like the subscribe, like, share. Ma, i-post mo yan doon sa YouTube.
Okay. Push ko to.
Yes.